Yo, what is up, my people, bro? It's your boy Maxi, and today I am reviewing the Emboss. So let's get into it. So this is a Penmod called the Emboss SG, I believe. I am not really sure, so please pardon my unknowingness of the pen mods. I'm fairly a beginner, but I know my things, so I'll give my honest review about the Emboss. This is what I think, this is what it feels to me. This is the type of people which type of people should start using it, like beginners, intermediates, pros. It's just my opinion, so no bullying or anything. It's just what I think, okay? So yeah, so I have it in a case. I will take it out because I need to take it out to show it to you guys. So here we have it, the Emboss. Here is the So here is the Emboss. It is fairly it is really fat, I will say that. It feels good though. I actually like fat pen mods. It's not that fat, but it's like it's chunky, boy. You know what I mean? It's really good. The feeling is like really easy to like. Any trick I'm going for, don't like. The skills that I'm doing is really basic because I am a basic person right now and I don't really know that many tricks, but it feels really easy to do whatever like I intend to do. Like what I'm trying to say is, it doesn't like, even if I'm going for like a hard trick, it feels like I can do it. So it's basically a good motivation pen. It is fat. It's not that heavy. I'll put it somewhere here. How heavy it is. But I really like the length of it. And the length of it is really good. I really like long pen mods. It's not that long, but it's like exactly where I want it to be. Like, no wonder it's my favorite pen mod, but I might be a bit biased, but this, like, the length is perfect. The weight is, I feel like, to be honest, I feel like it's a bit light, but it's beautiful. It's like amazing. Even though it keeps falling from my hands, it's not because of the pen mod, it's just I am trash. But I try to get good, bro. Inshallah, soon when I do get good, I'll be posting a solo video soon, so be sure to tune in for that, you know. So yeah, it feels really nice. If I were like if I would recommend it to someone, I would say an intermediate or a high noob, like a high beginner, like a beginner who knows all the fundamentals easily. I would recommend this to like a beginner, like a high beginner, a beginner like who knows the fundamentals, like he has fully mastered all the fundamentals and is like going for like new easy tricks. I feel like that would be perfect for that kind of person. And it's like I have like a kind of a bit like average size hands, so like I think it's good for anyone like that has like that my size of hands, basically. Like if you're like a good like a high beginner, like almost intermediate, I would say intermediate, but a bit lower than intermediate in my opinion. I'm not really sure. Like as I said, I'm not really experienced in this. Been pen spinning for like a year and a half, pretty much. But like after watching all those YouTube videos and stuff, I really think people who have like a bit sense of pen spinning will really like it. But people who are like really good, I don't think they like that much, in my opinion. but I don't know, like, to me, I'm like, I think I almost know all the fundamentals. I do struggle a bit in waterfall, I believe is what it's called. I really forgot all the names, man, seriously. But like, to me, it's perfect for me. Like, if someone would have recommended this to me, I would have like started using it. I'd be really happy he did recommend this to me, because it's perfect for me. I really love this. Like, probably my favorite pen mod so far. I've used plenty of pen mods. I've used the normal Ivan pen mod. I've used the Zigaos. I have used a lot of Zigaos. This V7, a YouTube video on that is on my channel as well. I have used the Zigao V20. I made a solo on that. Don't forget to check it out. But after using all those pen mods, using a bit of self pen mods as well, this is definitely my favorite. Like, don't base it off my skill, because really I'm not that good. Like, trust my guy, this is like, can barely do anything, man. Like, I can do stuff individually, I guess, but I don't really know a lot of good combos. So like, if you can recommend any like easy combos, or a bit hard, I guess, combos, I'd really be glad for that, because I really want to learn more combos. I can do good amount of skills like individually, I guess, but I need good combos. So yeah, so basically that's it for the review, because that's like my honest thoughts about the Emboss, Evan Emboss. I'll link like 2 to 3 websites in the description, where you can buy this. I'll try linking them. I'll try finding them. I don't remember where I ordered this from. Like, it's been a while since I bought this, like few months. I quit like pen spinning recently, but I'm back pen spinning now. But yeah, that's basically it, man. It's a really good pen mod. I would recommend it to anyone, to be honest, but it depends on their skill set, how, like, their own personality. Like, do they feel good with it? Do they need a small, like a thinner one? But yeah, that's basically it for the Evan Emboss. Really trying my best here, bro. Hey, so yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll be making more pen videos soon. I'll try to teach some. I'll try teaching, even though I'm the one learning right now, but I'll try my best to get better with the help of this beautiful pen mod. Even the color scheme, bro, it's amazing, and it's really easy to like make it by yourself as well. I saw a lot of tutorials and stuff, bro. It's really easy. I just didn't feel the power to do it, bro. Like, man, it's really lazy. I get tired like easily, stuff and that, bro. I'm lazy and that, fam. But anyways, like, this thing amazing. If you know the fundamentals, you know all the like the easy stuff, you want to go for something higher, you want something fat, you want something a bit heavy but not heavy, you want something long, bro, this is the thing, bro. This is what you need to go for, my guy. Like, trust my bro. So anyways, see you in the next pen video or any other video I do. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, peace and that, bro. Peace. See you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.